Good morning, boys and girls. It's Miss Murphy. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. Let's get started with our math lesson. Okay, we're going to begin by playing a game. I've let your families know about this game. It's called Boom Card, and I'm going to show it to you right now. So we're going to click the Start button. And the job is to move the cars to the correct house. So if I see this van, it says 7 plus 1. I think 7 plus 1 more equals 8. I need to find the location with the number 8 on it. Is that an 8? No. Is that an 8? No. Is that an 8? Yes. So I'm going to bring the van to the bank. Okay, this red truck says 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 more equals 6. Good job, boys and girls. So I'm going to move the truck. That's not a 6. The school is the 6. Okay, this pink van says 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 more equals, good job, 7. I will move it to the ice cream land. And my taxi cab says 8 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus 1 more, 9. Is that a 9? No. Is the pizza place a 9? Is the house a 9? Yes. Good job. Then I'll check my work. Alright, you can keep playing at home, but we're going to move on with our math lesson. So let's get back. Okay, let's read our objective today. Say, I can solve real-world addition problems using beads to represent the problem. And that's our kindergarten computations and algebraic thinking standard 2. Let's keep moving. For today's lesson, you're just going to need, let's move me out of the way. You're going to need your pencil, notebook paper, and your bag of beads, or any small item to count with. Let's move on. Okay, so reminder that addition means to join together or add. That means that our numbers are going to get bigger, boys and girls. Say addition. Put together. So it's my turn to show you how I would solve this math word problem. I'm going to read it out loud to you and then I'll play the video. It says, Mercy has 5 flowers. Talea gives her 4 more flowers. How many flowers does Mercy have now? Let's watch the video. Okay, boys and girls, to start, I have a notebook, a pencil, and some beads to use as my counter. I'm going to put a number 1 at the top of my paper because we're about to begin. Okay, the first problem says that Mercy has 5 flowers. Talea gives her 4 more flowers. How many flowers does Mercy have now? So I know at first Mercy started with 5 flowers, so I'm going to take 5 of my beads and put them over here at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Those are the 5 flowers that Mercy started with. I'll write a 5 right underneath. And today, boys and girls, I'm not taking away, I'm adding. So we need to write a plus sign. We're joining together. Talea gave her 4 more flowers. So I'm going to put 4 more beads up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to write the number 4. And then I know I'm not done because I need to write an equal sign. And then I need to count all these beads up together and find out how many beads we have if we have 5 plus 4. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll write the number 9. I'll move my beads and read my number sentence. 5 plus Okay, we're going to move on to our second problem. This time I want us to do it together. So if you haven't got your materials out, go ahead and get them together so that we can do this one with each other. It says that Lincoln has 3 Legos. Oliver gives him 6 more Legos. How many Legos does Lincoln have now? Okay, watch me solve the problem and you do it along with me. Okay, it's time to do our we do, so I encourage you to try this one with me. Now I'm going to get my pencil out and I'm going to write number 2 because this is our second problem together. This one says that Lincoln has 3 Legos, so I'm going to pretend again that my beads are Legos. 1, 2, 3. And let's go ahead and write the number 3 underneath. 3. And are we adding or taking away? Good job, we're adding, so we need a plus sign. And it says that Oliver gave him 6 more Legos. How many Legos does Lincoln have now? So my friend Oliver gave him 6 Legos. Let's count out 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Very good. We'll write the number 6, and then we need to write an equal sign. Let's count up what 3 plus 6 equals. So we have to count all these beads together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll move my beads and write the number 9. 3 plus 6 equals 9. Good job, boys and girls. Very good. Thank you for following along with me. We're going to do one more together before I send you off to do a couple on your own. This time, our we do says that Jade had 7 Barbies. Kaylin gives her 3 more. How many Barbies does Jade have now? Okay, get ready to try this one with me. Okay, we're going to do one more together, boys and girls, so we'll write a number 3. Okay, this time our problem says that Jade has 7 Barbies. Kaylin gives her 3 more Barbies. How many Barbies does Jade have now? So we're going to start first with what Jade had to begin with, which was 7 Barbies. So boys and girls, we're going to get our beads and put up 7 beads to pretend like they're Barbies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you know what number will we write here? Good job, 7. Are we going to write a plus sign or a subtraction sign? Good, boys and girls, you know we're going to write a plus sign. 7 plus, Kaylin gave her 3 more Barbies, so we need to take 3 beads up here that Kaylin gave her. 1, 2, 3, and write 3. What do I need here? Good job, equal sign. And then we're going to count up all these beads to find out what 7 plus 3 equals. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Write the number 10 and we'll read our number sentence. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Good job, boys and girls. Now it's your turn. Okay, as you heard me say, now it's going to be your turn to do 2 on your own. So your first one to do on your own says that Gerardo has 4 pencils. Semina gives him 2 more. How many pencils does Gerardo have now? I'm going to wait a second, boys and girls, for you to solve this one on your own. I'll read it one more time. Gerardo has 4 pencils. Semina gives him 2 more. How many pencils does Gerardo have now? While you're working, I want you to think, am I adding and putting together or subtracting and taking away? Good job, you're adding. So you need to add those 4 pencils plus the 2 and find out what that makes. I can tell you're working really hard. Keep up the good work. We're going to move on in just a second. Alright, I can tell that most boys and girls are ready to move on, so we're going to move to your last problem to do on your own. This one says that Ray has 2 Hot Wheels. Kenise gives Ray 5 more Hot Wheels. How many does Ray have now? I'll read it again for you. Ray has 2 Hot Wheels. Kenise gives him 5 more Hot Wheels. How many Hot Wheels does Ray have now? Don't forget to use your beads as your counters and to write your number sentence. When you're all done with this problem, have someone at home take a picture of it and send it on Class Dojo or Parent Square or text it to me. It was good seeing you boys and girls again. I'll see you on Wednesday. Bye!